Good morning, YouTube friends. Today is day 26, November 19, and today is another update of our Himalayan mulberry here. As we can see, a lot of fruits that have already fell on the ground. We're late to wake up this morning and see that one here. These are all fresh mulberries, but already fell on the ground. They soften already. See that one here? This is no longer eatable. Look at that here. We have to wash this one. I supposed to harvest this one yesterday afternoon, but instead I did some kind of live streaming, and so I failed to do this harvest. Today is November 19, day 26 of this Himalayan mulberry update. So I'll have to pause the camera for a moment, YouTube friends. So while my wife is getting a bowl where we can put all our harvested mulberry today, I have to pick these. Okay, thank you. Look at these, YouTube friends. So these are the mulberry fruits that have fell on the ground. I think during wee hours lately, and maybe part last night. But we still have more right on the tree, so we have to harvest them now. Here, YouTube friends, let's do the harvest. We don't need to wash this, it's okay, or maybe wash a little bit. Here, some of them are already soft, even if they're not really that ripe yet. Yeah, see that one? And here. Look at that. And then here. I think we have lots in here. It's your friends. This one is really nice or good size. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I think we have look at that here. It's your friends. Okay. Yeah. I'm pretty sure one early bird have already eaten a mulberry fruit here. Mm-hmm. Others are not really turning that red, and they're quite soft already. So here, look at what we've got now. We're still having more here. Yeah, to me, the nicest thing, the most exciting time in farming or in gardening is during the time of the harvest. Like, kind of, it's paying time of the hard work that you have spent in your farm or in your garden. The harvest time. So how many minutes do we have here? 6 minutes already. I think we can go up to 10 minutes here. Oh, at the beginning, I never appreciate this bunch of fruits here that you can see. I thought we only have like maybe a few fruits, something like. But right now, as they turn into red, and this is our 6th harvest, and we still have another here, but it will share that one with the bugs and the insects below here. Okay, the fruits hiding here, they can like be soft anytime and then fall into the ground in no time. Okay, and then we move further deep here. We have 3. I don't know if it's visible in the camera. Yeah, it's really difficult. My other hand is harvesting, the other hand is holding the camera. Still messy here. And there were times that a big snake was lurking here. Good enough that time the chicken were still inside the chicken coop. Perhaps that size of a snake can swallow any of my chickens. So we have a few remaining here to get. We still have, I think, maybe half of this fruits that we can get later today. So I'll have to, I think there are still a few here. Okay. Yeah. Then here, I don't know, this one is ready, not yet. What about these two? I think these are all ready. Yeah, quite soft to pick. So I think that this is all what we've got. 6 or 7 time, I cannot exactly remember. So regardless of the fact, difference, but see, this is another amazing harvest. On top of this, we've got that bunch of fallen ripe fruits last night and probably early this morning, and we can wash that up and clean it all together, and we can eat all these fresh, delicious, and nutritious Himalayan mulberry fruit. So thank you for stopping by and supporting our channel. So let us spread the news. Let us help this channel grow into a big community later. So we still have bunch of fruits remaining, attaching to the tree. Then we have to wait until the last fruit standing attaching on the tree, and then we will begin our next plan of early yearing or marketing of our Himalayan mulberry, to ensure that we will have like 80 to 90% surviving rate. And then who knows, next year we will have series of trees, or like several lines of Himalayan mulberry plant or trees right here into these large spots. And then that means we will have more harvest, we will have more fruits. Imagine this one. Maybe altogether we harvested around like more than a kilo already of fruits from this mulberry, Himalayan mulberry. And with that, if we're in America or in Canada, we've earned already around $60 from this plant alone. And we still have more, maybe another a kilo or two of fruits that are still attaching on the tree. I'll try to reproduce this one more and more, and who knows, we might be able to promote this variety here in Thailand. Of course, a few Thai already who have known the variety of this will patronize this tree, and they will gamble with their money. Imagine the fact that I bought this one for 250 baht, around $10 that time, but now the value of dollar is getting expensive here in Thailand, so um, it's less than $10 already. But still, it is very expensive compared to the local variety here, the native mulberry variety, in which you can only buy for 10 baht for one plant. But this one is 250 baht per plant. So that's 25 times expensive than the local variety. So with that, I think we can have a market, or we will start uh, to market this variety probably in the future. At the moment, what I can do is to reproduce more and more, prepare for the future. We don't know. Maybe we will be ahead than others if we have this. If you have already something, if you bank something, it could be a plant, a tree, or money, or whatever. And when opportunity comes, you'll be ahead than your competitors. But at the moment, we will just enjoy what we have here, doing gardening, documenting what we have done in our garden. So thank you, YouTube friends, for stopping by. And I mentioned to you lately that we will go up until 10 minutes, an hour, 13 minutes already. I'm very sorry. So this is our day 26 Himalayan mulberry update. We do the harvest as well at the same time. So, and some other stuffs I've mentioned to you here. I can see you in the next vlog.